Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make a Portuguese sausage, mushroom, cheese frittata. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. In a mixing bowl, combine the egg, pepper, and salt and whisk together for 30 seconds until foamy and set aside. Heat a 12-inch oven-safe skillet over medium heat, spray with non-stick cooking spray, add the sausage and cook for 5 minutes. Remove the sausage from the pan, place into a plate lined with a paper towel and set aside. Blot the excess oil from the pan with a paper towel. Add the onions and mushrooms and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the sausage, cheese, and eggs to skillet and do not stir. Place the skillet into the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Serve the frittata in the pan while hot from the oven, along with fresh fruit, English muffins, or whole wheat toast. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.